Hi everybody, welcome to our Monday morning meeting. Today's a little bit different because we do not have a live session, so you're watching me now. Our quote of the day is, the more that you read, the more things you will know, the more that you learn, the more places you'll go. You probably have heard that before. It's by Dr. Seuss. This week we have one birthday, Brooklyn. She's celebrating her birthday on the 3rd. These are all of our friends that will have a birthday this month. I went ahead and put September birthdays because today is August 31st. It is the last day of August, so happy birthday to all of you. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our mindset. Our mindset this week, we're going to be looking at accountability. Oh no. I have to do it again.
What does it mean to be 100% accountable? Maybe it sounds kind of boring, but that couldn't be further from the truth. It doesn't mean we should do what we say we're going to do, or that we should take care of all the stuff we have. Of course we should do those things, but you already know that. What it means is, you and you alone control your own destiny. Your future is going to be a direct result of the actions you take and the decisions you make today. It means that the quality of the life you live depends on the quality of the person you decide to be. So if we start making ourselves better, the world will respond by giving us more joy, health, friendships, and yes, even money. Being accountable for our lives means not being victims of what anyone else does, because only we have the power to make our lives what we want them to be. What does that mean to you right now? Well, if someone makes you feel bad, maybe that's not who you want to spend your time with. If you're doing something that makes you uncomfortable, stop doing it. If you have a dream, start pursuing it. Only you decide what you want your life to be. That's what it means to be 100% accountable.
So what can you do to be accountable? I want you to think about that. You can talk about that with your learning coach or maybe a sibling. What type of things can you do in your own life to be accountable? What are you going to focus your energy on to help you grow through life? All right, so what are we learning this week? This is a little askew. Let me fix it. All right. So this week we are going to be looking at an ELA. We are looking at counterfeit money and narrative writing, math, fractions greater than 1, science, arthropods and echinoderms, history, Plains Americans and mound builders, art, the artist, and the scientist. So please make sure you are checking out all of those subjects and working on those topics. What we have coming up this week, today is August 31st, and it is DEAR. It is Drop Everything and Read Day. So we are not having a live session. As you can tell today, you are going to be reading. Get a good book and find a comfy, cozy spot and go ahead and read. Make sure that you are coming to the rest of our live sessions. We will have them Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Check your Class Connect schedule in your OLS to see what time you are at. It's either at 9 or 9:30. Make sure that you're completing all of your Summit courses before you do Stride. Stride is fun and optional. Summit courses are the ones that are graded, and you have to get those completed. Make sure that you're checking your emails daily. I recommend doing it twice, once in the morning and once in the afternoon. Watch the videos for support, check your pathways, and complete your lessons on your daily plan. Remember, our pathways are these. You're going to watch the video. This is where you're watching the videos for ELA and for math. After watching the videos, you're going to answer your questions. Do you understand the content? Yes or no? And then follow those pathways to get the resources that you need, okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope that you have a wonderful day. And I have all of our fun sayings up here. I am going to say my favorite one, and that is bye bye butterfly.